Assalamu alaikum, students. Good evening. How are you? Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. So, this is our part 2, okay, and part 2 of revision worksheet of polynomials. See, the next question states find the factors of 2x square minus 7x plus 3. So, in this, see, if you don't have the coefficient of x square as 1, then multiply the coefficient and the constant. 2 threes are 6, right? Now try to find out the factors. 1 6 are 6, and if I add those two factors, okay, if I add 1 plus 6 is 7. Do you have 7, my dear students? Yes. If you have this, then you can go with this number with the factorization. It is called as splitting the middle terms. How to do? See, first, once you find the factors, find out when you multiply, are you getting the product or not the required product? 6. And when you add them, are you getting the middle term? What is the middle term here? Minus 7. So if I take 1 and 6, yeah, 1 6 are 6. And when I add 1 and 6, so it is 7. But I have minus 7 here. So let us keep minus to both of them. Okay. So if I keep minus 1 plus minus 6, it is minus 7. Yes, satisfied. And when I multiply minus 1 and minus 6, what happens? Minus of minus plus 1 into 6, 6. This is also satisfied. So that means you can split the middle terms as minus 1x plus of minus 6x. Is it right, my dear students? So let us do the same, splitting the middle terms. So that is equal to 2x square minus x minus 1x and plus of minus 6x plus 3. Now see, in these two terms, do you have anything common? Say 2x square in rough, I do like this. Okay, 2x into x. And what is the next term? Minus 1x. Now tell me which is common here. Yes, very good. X is common. So let me take x. And what is left out here in the first term? 2x. And in the second term, it is minus 1. Very good. We got it. Now let us see the second two terms. It is minus 6. Minus 6, can I write it as minus 2 into 3 into x? Good. And 3, I can write it as 3 into 1. So what do you have common here? I have common 3. Okay. So if I take 3 common, what it will be left out? Minus 2x in this term. And here you have plus 1. But is this minus 2x1 and here minus 2x minus 1, are they matching? No, they are not matching. So what should I do when they are not matching? So let me take minus 3 common. For example, 3, can I write it as minus of minus 3? Yes. So now minus is common and 3 is common. So let me take minus 3 common. What is left out? 2x. And here I have minus 1. Now check, my dear students, I have 2x minus 1 as common in both the terms. So when I take 2x minus 1 common, what is left out? Here x, and here it will be minus 3. So this is how we factorize 2x square minus 7x plus 3. Got it? Now let me go for the next one. Okay. So because it is the same concept, I am doing it in the same page so that it will be easier for you to understand. Now, what is this? 6x square plus 5x minus 6. What is the coefficient of x square? It is some other than 1. So what you should do? You have to multiply the coefficient and constant. So 6 multiplied by minus 6, it is minus 36. Now try to find out factors. 136 are 36. If I add, I'll get 37. If I subtract, I'll get 35. So I'm not, my middle term is not getting satisfied. So 2 18s, when I add it is 20 and subtract 16, it is also not getting satisfied. And now it is, what is the other thing? Yeah, 3 12s. So if I add 15, if I subtract it is 9, it's not satisfying. So now I think 4 9s. 4 into 9, sorry, 4 9s are 36. And if I when I add it is 13, and when I subtract 9 minus 4 it is 5. So yes, I can subtract. But how to subtract? Which one? 9 minus 4. See, now let us let us see whether it is satisfying or not. Okay, if I multiply these two, I have to get minus 36. And if I add, I have to get the middle term. Let me check. Minus 4 and 9. Yeah, minus 36. Minus into plus minus. 4 9s are 36. And if I add them, one is negative one, another one is positive. So 9 minus 4, it is 5. Yes, it is satisfying. Both are satisfying. So what will I do? I will write the middle term as minus 4x plus 9x. Is it right? So let us continue. That is equal to 6x square and 5x. The middle term I'll write it as minus 4x plus 9x minus 6. Understood? Now let us see what is common in these two terms. 6x square. 6x square. How can I write 6x square? 2 times 3 times x into x. And 4x minus 4x minus 2 into 2 into x. What is common? 2 is common, x is common. So if I take 2x as common, what is left out? Here 3x minus, only minus 2 plus. In these two terms, what is common? 9x. Can I write it as 3 into 3 into x? And minus 6, can I write it as minus 2 into 3? If I take 3 common, that means plus 3 common. What is left out? 3x minus 2. See, once this step is over, you have to check the brackets whether they are equal or not. If they are equal, then you can continue. If you take 3x minus 2 common, what is left out here? 2x plus 3. Understood, my dear students? So this is how we factorize. See, I don't want to prolong the video so that you may get bored. So I'll stop the second one with this, and let us please practice, and then I'll explain the next two problems. Okay, bye bye, take care.